step aboard PS Waverley, the world's last seagoing paddle steamer, and one of Britain's true maritime treasures. Launched in 1946, she's been delighting passengers for generations, offering a unique way to see our coastline from the comfort of a beautifully restored ship. With her bright red funnels, gleaming decks, and graceful paddle wheels, Waverley is like stepping back in time. You can watch the giant engine turn, feel the breeze on deck, and enjoy stunning views as she glides through the water. Lovingly cared for by a dedicated team, PS Waverley sails every summer, inviting people of all ages to experience the magic of steam travel. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply looking for a memorable day out, Waverley promises an unforgettable journey.